Figma file is in the description down below. You can make a copy of Figma community file or you can download directly from Google Drive. Animation video was recorded using free software called OBS. The plugins I've used are also in the description down below. You can check which plugin I've used and for what purpose. Here I have over 50 frames. If you want to see how animation was created, you have to click on prototype here in the top right corner. And once you've done that, you can click on arrows that connect each frame. Let's say intro 1 to intro 2. And if you click on arrow, you can see the trigger, destination, animation, curve, duration. If you click here, an arrow, and you can go through each connection and see how it transitions. When you are creating animation in Figma, naming is very important. Let's say I have 2 frames, one here and one here. And I have a rectangle here and here. And I want to animate this rectangle. For example, I want to move this rectangle from left to right. And the name of this rectangle has to match. It's called rectangle 1, and here it's called rectangle 1. And if you want to animate now, you can click prototype, connect, and once you animate, it's going to move from left to right because the names match. Let's go over a few things real quick. Apple logo was sketched using pen tool. If you don't know how to use pen tool, I have some YouTube videos on my channel, and I also have 4 training courses on Udemy, which are also free. This sign was created by flattening font. I took number 1, flattened, I took the text all in, flattened, and used Boolean operation. Here it's just a circle. Picture on the left side was created using Vectary plugin, but it's not the best quality, so I decided to use pen tool once again, and here on the right side it's sketched using pen tool, so I could use it here in this animation. And the picture with bubbles was taken from Unsplash, of course. The typeface I'm using here is called San Francisco Pro. It's an Apple typeface, but I'm on Windows computer. If you are on Windows computer as well, check out the video I created where I show how to add San Francisco Pro on Windows operating system. That's about it. I think I shared everything I wanted. My advice, just take a copy, go through each frame, go through each transition, and you will learn a lot. And by any chance, if you have a question, just drop down a comment and I will respond as fast as I can. Cheers!